Hi, this is Michelle. Here I am with the ladies from Ryobi. I am so excited to be presented with my new generator. Let's take a closer look at getting started with your new Ryobi. Here's Josh pointing to the area where you add the oil. All you have to do is unscrew the gray dipstick, use the provided funnel, and add the oil. Easy peasy. After you add the oil, you'll replace the gray dipstick. Now let's move on to Josh showing you how to start it. It's 3 easy steps: choke, pull cord, and run.
You pull it once, it'll start, and you move it over to run restart. Okay? If it's on or had been running, and you had to replace fuel or check the oil, and you need to start it again, you move it right over to run restart, and pull the cord.